So welcome to LAX and Vid Summit 2019. We're here. We checked in with Derral Eves. We got the badges. We got everything. I got my room, and we're all set up. But now we're on the Joby, running with the Sony 6400, and we're gonna go downstairs and see who we can find. So let's go.
I always talk about it. I'm sorry. Yo, what is up, Jeff? I couldn't even see his face, and I knew it was him.
And then that moment happens when you meet and see all the people from Creators Chaos chilling at one table. Let's show you these guys.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared.
Wait, I'm free hugs.
Come on, big hug. It is chaos.
What's up, buddy? Hey, how you doing?
Vid Summit. I think about what's trending right now. You know, what's hot.
So what is it like to follow Derral Eves all night long? Well, it's pretty insane, and you get to kind of shoot everybody and anybody because everybody wants to meet him. Because in an event like this, it's kind of like a wedding, or if you're doing anything like that, you have to be ready because you walk into one room and you better be ready for one set of settings, and then you walk across the hall into another room and you better be ready for those settings. You have to know your camera inside and out. You have to be prepared. You cannot do this not knowing a camera rig. So you better learn the buttons and the basics and the simples, and then chase your child around, chase your dog around, go inside, outside, shoot everywhere, and that's how you get experience to be able to do something like this. So everybody here at Vid Summit got a goodie bag, and one of the things was a switch pod, which is what I'm mounted on right now. Not to mention, it's gonna be the only ones ever stamped by Vid Summit, specially made for Vid Summit. And we're gonna get back to work. See what's next. So Life with Cameras has brought me with this guy to Dave & Buster's and a VIP party. We're gonna have a blast. We're gonna cut up. We're gonna get some good footage.
I'm super excited. Look at this. We got cards and an envelope, a freaking envelope. Hide coins. Coin envelope.
Santa Jeff, everybody.
Having fun yet?
I'm having a lot of fun, man.
Excited to be here.
Jackpot.
I suck so bad. Woo! I got in the 100.
Holy! There she is. That's my girlfriend. Her name's Alex. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm blaming it on the algorithm. Oh, there she is. She always comes back to me. Here we go.
I just want to win so bad. That's my problem.
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. Nathan, come on!
Dude, I thought I did
To beat Cody?
Yes.
Feels amazing. It's like I'm content with dying now.
Can we do one more? Yeah, of course.
I'll have you know that was the first time I lost.
So I gotta say it's going crazy, and got Cody Warner playing basketball with a bunch of people, the Chevy dude playing basketball, we got Mr. Beast over here playing shoot 'em up games and having a ball, and this is just absolutely hilarious. Let's go find some more people.
They're all gonna light up.
So who's winning so far?
I'm at 290 right now, but we'll see. Jonathan just sunk a 50. Man, I'm not doing well, Alex. 200 that time. What's this? 258. You beat me that time. You beat me. I got a 50 at the end after it was over.
I got one.
I didn't win, but I felt good about it.
Well, everything has changed. Last night I went to Dave & Buster's, and on the way back I was riding with Derral Eves, and we were talking about some things and talking about my channels and talking about everything I've been doing. And I can't lie, guys, you've seen the channel and you've seen kind of a little bit, and I'm going to tell a lot more of my backstory in the future, but things changed last night, and I'm going to have possibly the greatest opportunity because of this opportunity I created for myself. My goals are even bigger than they were. And bring you entertainment and bring you a lot more. I can't tell you all the secrets, I can't tell you all the craziness that's gonna happen, but I can tell you that it's about to get seriously crazy. Guys, hard work, killing yourself, going out and doing it, accomplishing, pushing forward, pushing harder than you've ever pushed before, it works, it gets you places. And then you have to seize the opportunity when it stands in front of you, and you have to grab it. And I knew coming out to Vid Summit something would change me, and this is it. Not to mention 1,000 other things, but this is huge. So thank you, Derral Eves. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I from the bottom of my soul, I can't even put it into words. So what are you doing, Neil?
I'm trying to instigate things on Discord to corner Jeff and rob his equipment. Just how we roll.
How to optimize my channel with this guy right here. Totally blew my mind. Probably the best thing that I'll learn at Vid Summit so far. Come next year.
And that was completely unsolicited. I didn't pay her in any way to say that.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. My shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.